Hey guys, are you looking to join the new year fireworks trends on TikTok? In this video, you'll learn how to use the CapCut fireworks template and create a beautiful video within just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. So without any further delay, let's get started. To get started, we will open our TikTok mobile application. Once you are on the TikTok mobile application, you simply have to tap on the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar icon and enter fireworks template and search for it. After that, find a video that has the fireworks effect. For example, I'll select this. Now the video you choose should have CapCut try this template button in this video. If the video that you choose doesn't have the button, then find another video that have that button. Once you have find the video that has CapCut try this template button, go ahead and tap on that button. After that, you have to simply tap on use template in CapCut and now it will open up that template in the CapCut app. So if you don't have, after that you simply have to tap on the use template at the bottom right corner of the screen and then it will open up that template in the CapCut app. So if you don't have CapCut app installed on your device, make sure to get it from either the Apple Play Store or Google Play Store. So now what you want to do is that you simply have to select a photo or a video that you want to apply this effect and after that tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can now tap on export at the top right corner of the screen and tap on save and share it to your TikTok. It will take a couple of seconds to export, so now you can share this video. So once your video has been exported, you can share it to TikTok as you would normally do when uploading a TikTok video. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.